Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the Map Links tool within MapThat. Map Links tool is available from the Map Tools menu, has 3 sections including Google Street View, Side-by-Side Mapping and Google Earth. Firstly, in the Side-by-Side option, we'll change the map zoom level to 12. We'll change the historic mapping to be OS 1 inch and change the base map option to be Bing Hybrid. Then using the pin marker, left click in the map to activate the tool. The side-by-side website opens into a new web browser and shows the same location in Liverpool now with the OS historic mapping on the left and the base mapping on the right. We zoom and pan, the historic mapping layer updates as we move around Liverpool. From the left hand side we can keep choosing different historic mapping layers to see the changes over time. Let's choose the OS 25-inch 1888 map series and again pan the map to view more historic Liverpool. Finally, from the right, we can change the base mapping option to the OS Maps API to then compare the areas in 1888 to buildings of today. Back in MapThat, we'll now choose the Google Street View option at the top and then zoom the map down to street level to find a specific road, such as Allison Road. Street View tool has options to set the camera rotation and pitch, and if we left click in the map on a road, Google Street View opens into a new browser and auto zooms to the road that we clicked on in MapThat, allowing you to move around the map to view the road from different angles and to walk along the road to perform site checks. Back in MapThat, let's now use the Bookmark tool to find Radio City in Liverpool. Once we've found this location in the Map Links tool, we'll use the Google Earth option. Again, there's preset options for how the 3D view will open, including altitude, tilt angle, and whether the map is static or rotates. Using the pin marker, click in the map near Radio City and Google Earth is activated. It rotates around Liverpool, showing the view from the chosen location, Radio City, allowing you to see a 360 panoramic view. Both the Google Street View and Google Earth Map Link tools are available from the main toolbar. If we choose the person icon and then left click in the map, this activates the Google Street View tool for the selected map location. Whereas we pan around, we can see the Radio City building.